tonight reports 214 new cases and 14 new deaths. Cases in the southern and western U.S. are surging, but we have been at or below a 2% positive test rate for a month. And as WBZ's Jim Smith reports, that's why Governor Baker is imposing new travel restrictions starting a week from tomorrow for almost anyone coming into the state.
What COVID wants more than anything is an opportunity to jump from person to person to person to person.
Bay State beaches are busy. At least some college students will soon be back. And with vacationers streaming into Massachusetts and COVID raging in many other states, the governor is tightening things up big time, putting new restrictions on visitors effective August 1st.
Every traveler coming to Massachusetts, no matter where they're from, has a responsibility to help keep COVID-19 out of the Commonwealth.
Under the order, visitors entering Massachusetts must quarantine for 14 days unless coming from a lower risk state or provide a negative test taken within 72 hours of travel. Violators could face a $500 fine.
I think it's going to make a difference for sure.
Travelers at Logan Airport Friday seem to be on board. Signs requiring all visitors to fill out a special form are already set up.
I get it, I really do. I see the spike and I understand.
I do plan on quarantining for 2 weeks once I get back home to keep my family safe.
The new order does not apply to travelers from New England, New York, New Jersey, and Hawaii, all defined as lower risk states. Other exemptions include people commuting here for work or school, those traveling to Massachusetts to receive medical care, and folks just passing through, connecting to a bus, train, or plane. Enforcement could be a challenge. The governor admits he hopes people decide to do the right thing on their own.
The honor system in Massachusetts has worked pretty well.
Jim Smith, WBZ News.
Students